In the fast-paced world of Forex trading, speed, accuracy, and risk management are essential for success. Traders are constantly on the lookout for strategies that can give them an edge in the market. One such strategy that has been generating a buzz is the Forex Digital Vega strategy. This unique approach is powered by pure science and promises to make trading faster, easier, and less risky than ever before. The Digital Vega strategy is designed to find profitable setups with the precision of a skilled sniper. It allows traders to analyze the market at a granular level and instantly understand the dynamics at play. This provides them with the ability to make quick, informed decisions and execute trades with minimal risk and maximum profit potential. The strategy has a range of features that make it stand out from other trading systems. It can detect both continuation market moves in the direction of the trend and reversal market moves against the trend. This versatility allows traders to join the prevailing trend with near-perfect timing and prepare for upcoming market reversals. Additionally, the Digital Vega strategy identifies all the important price movements, ensuring that traders never miss out on significant opportunities. It works equally well in both trend trading and counter-trend trading modes, making it suitable for various trading styles and preferences. For more details about the Forex Digital Vega strategy, you can visit the link on descriptions. Thanks for watching.